If you want to use AI and generate out images, then what you can do is you can go around onto Windows and go to more, and then you can see that text to image is an option. So once you go around over here, you can simply go around and add in a prompt. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say a boy riding a bicycle while using a laptop delivering pizzas. Let's say, for example, just like this. So you simply need to click on the create button, and then in a while this is created. You will be prompted to watch advertisement if you do not have the premium subscription. If you have it, then you will simply get a generation over here. So if I were to go around and click right here, then you can see that this is what you have. Not perfect right here, but you can see that this is a guy delivering pizza right here, and there's no laptop right here. But you get the idea right here, and this will continue to improve as time goes on. And this is how you can utilize the text to image option inside of Photopea directly for text to image generation as you like. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.